The team are preparing for the final stage of the mission. The giraffes will be split into 3 groups. They'll be driven for many hours and across the Nile. To distract them on the journey, the rangers cover the truck with delicious leaves. This specially prepared vehicle has been paid for by the donations of hundreds of people from across the world.
If you've got giraffe in the boma, you don't relax until they're released. I still get worried until that last giraffe runs out of a truck and is off safe and sound.
Murchison Falls has never seen anything like it. The giraffes are seeing the world from an angle even higher than they're used to. Because of its precious cargo, the convoy heads out slowly. The team have put bars between the giraffes to help them stay upright. It's such a delicate situation that 8 men must ride up with them to keep constant watch at the risk of being licked with a giant tongue. Melvin is in the middle, so has to be handed his travelling snacks. After 4 slow hours of driving, they reach an obstacle no truck or giraffe can cross without help. The Nile. The water here will flow over 6,500 kilometres, crossing the Sudan and then into Egypt, before it finally meets the sea. Just a few kilometres upstream, the torrent is so strong it can cut through mountains. But here, the river becomes calmer. The banks and the water are havens for wildlife, and the current gentle enough for a ferry to drive across it. All the years of hard work from Julian and Steph are paying off in a truly extraordinary sight.
How often do you see a giraffe on a boat?
If anything goes wrong here, it would be a catastrophe.
You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's Melvin? He's looking where he's going. He's checking out.
No giraffe has ever seen anything like this before. The ferry safely pulls in and the passengers enter a land untrodden by giraffe.
We're on the way. We've just crossed over the Nile River with 6 giraffes. I've never been so stressed in my life.